Welcome your student. Today we shall start our new chapter statistics. So let's start our class. See, the basic meaning of statistics is what? Statistics is that branch of mathematics in which it deals with study of collection, analysis, presentation and organization of data. It means what statistics is do. It analyze, collect, present and organize the data. Data means what? Collection of information is known as data. For suppose we all are familiar with library. If you go the library, there are many books are there in library, but you noticed all books are arranged in particular way. Suppose in science section there is science books are mentioned, physics, chemistry, bio. In art section there is English, SST, Hindi. They are all organized in that way. Same work statistics can do. They arrange the data, collect the data and present the data. What is their question is, what is data? Data means collection of information. Information means which provides some information. For example, iCard. Suppose we have an iCard and our iCard there is our photos, their name, father's name, address and some information is given. It means what? iCard is data. It provides some our personal information is known as data. Clear? Now here we talk about average of data. Average means what? Suppose some collections are there and we have to find that one piece of collection which gives information about whole data. Average of data means a certain value represent of whole data. What I said? A certain piece of information who represent whole data, signifying its characteristics called average of data. Average means suppose in your three subjects, maths, science, English, and you scored something 50 in maths, 15 English and 15 in Hindi. Suppose, and then I said what is your average marks? So what you do? You have to take piece of information. So what you do? You have to analyze your average marks, all three marks is you have to add it and divide it by 3 and gives a certain value. That certain value is give the information about average of your subject. Same as now how we calculate the average? Mainly the three types of average are useful for analyzing. Mainly are in statistics. There are mainly three types of analysis are there. First one is mean, second one is median and third one is mode. So first we are going to discuss mean. In mean we have to find three methods. We have to using three methods to find mean. Our first method is direct method. Direct method means you have to apply the something values. Direct method is also known as number of collection of या ये भी बोल सकते हैं हम लोग. The sum of data by number of data is also known as direct method. Next we discuss assumed mean method and third one is indirect method. Steps. Step first is for each class find the class mark. For each class find the class mark, and all we know that familiar word with class mark. We already studied in class 9 how we calculate the class mark. Class mark is represented by xi and class mark is equals to all we know that half of lower limit plus upper limit. This is a step first. Now step 2, calculate fi xi for each. Calculate fi xi for each, where I is our certain intervals. And step 3, we know that mean. Calculate the mean using formula. Mean is x bar. This is the direct formula. Mean is represented by XR. XR is equals to summation of Fi Xi by summation of Fi. This is also known as summation. Summation. Meaning of summation means continuous addition is known as summation. We have to use these all three steps to calculate the mean. See, I go take an example. This is question. Find the mean of the following data. We have to calculate the mean of the following data. Data is given. This is class interval and this is frequency. Class interval started with 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, and last one is 40 to 50. And frequencies is 12, 16, 6, 7, 9. See how we solve these ones. Make the column. Our first column is class interval. Second one is frequency. Is represented by Fi, and this is class mark. Class mark is represented by Xi. Always remember. And our fourth column is product of Fi Xi. Clear? Now make the column. Our data started with 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, and last one is 40 to 50. Clear? And their frequencies are frequencies are 12, 16, 6, 7, 9. And how we calculate the class mark? We know that class mark formula of class mark is, this is your, always remember, in a certain class interval, your left hand side will be your lower limit and right hand side will be your upper limit. Always remember. So what we do, use the formula. We know that half of sum of lower plus upper. Lower is 0, upper is 10. Add it, we get 5. Same way we have to proceed. This becomes 15, this becomes 25, this becomes 35, and this becomes 45. How you find in very short way? Just you have to calculate one class mark and just you have to check the interval. Their interval is 10. Difference of interval 10. Just you have to add it in all 10, 10, 10. Clear? Now next, multiply it. This becomes 60. This becomes 150. 16 into 15 becomes 150. 6 into 25. Sorry, 16 into 15 it becomes 240. 6 into 25 it becomes 150. And 7 into 35 it becomes 245, and 9 into 45 it becomes 405. Clear? And last what we do, just you have to find their summation. Summation means we have to add all these. After adding you get 1100. And same way you have to find their frequencies. Sum of the frequencies, summation Fi, add, we get 50. Last, use the formula. We know that mean is x bar is equals to summation of Fi Xi by summation of Fi. We know that, and summation of Fi Xi is 1100, and this is your 50. Therefore, mean will be what? 22. I hope this one is clear to you.